Held in by Teravainen. Hamilton settles it down, shoots it in on net, fought off by Vasilevskiy. The pass comes out for Hamilton right to the net, and somehow Vasilevskiy able to track that one and find it with the glove.
Amazing tracking ability for Vasilevskiy to see this puck all the way through with a big screen with Aho in front of him, and he gloves it down, no chance.
And this one slipped on for Point. It's a 2-on-1. He has Palat with him. Braden Point cuts to the outside. The pass was there, and Nedeljkovic got his stick on it.
Here's a look at Braden Point on this 2-on-1. He pauses, hesitates, he tries to get that puck over to Andrei Palat. Braden Point was such a difference maker in the 2020 playoffs. Interesting just to watch the way his game has evolved. Good job by him, looking like he's faking the shot.
The pass from Stamkos hit the outside of the net, comes back for Killorn. Killorn powers his way to the slot, scores! Alex Killorn whipped it towards the net. And the Tampa Bay Lightning have a 1-0 lead.
Well, look at the traffic in front, and the puck just comes from outside. They've been having a lot of, Lightning has been looking for a lot of shots from out high, whether it's from their defensemen, from their forward circling back, that low to high, stretch out the defensive zone, and utilize that net front presence. We've talked a lot about how Carolina wants to do that at the other side. Obviously very effective here, and so Cirelli certainly has a large hand in that goal.
Natchez, he mishandled. Now it's Killorn. It's a 2-on-0. It's Kucherov. He's in. His save made by Nedeljkovic, and he clamps down on the loose puck.
This is a beautiful feed from Alex Killorn, head up the whole way, and then Kucherov tries to get that rebound.
Overskated. Aho was there. Aho has a lane. Natchez, he missed it. Vasilevskiy went for the poke check. It disrupted Natchez as he moved to the backhand.
It's a bad turnover there, and this is why Rod Brind'Amour loves having these two on the penalty kill. They're fast, they're opportunistic, and they're offensive-minded.
Here's a chance for Tampa Bay. It's Killorn. He's in, he drags, and it's stopped by Nedeljkovic.
And he recognizes it's odd man rush with a backchecker, but right here, this drag across, loses the puck, still comes in and tries to go short side on the blocker. Good play by Slavin to force that, and that little tap there by Slavin slows him up a little bit, allows Nedeljkovic to get set and smother that puck.
Trying to find it in the skates, he does. Cirelli darting in with the backhand, he scores! Anthony Cirelli, and it is 2-0 Tampa.
Great play by Victor Hedman to recognize that Cirelli's coming through, and pass was actually a little bit behind him. Great job by Cirelli to collect this pass, come up and recognize that Shea was in a vulnerable position, push pass, use his legs, and then backhand shot. Those are deceptive shots, tough for a goaltender to read. He's coming in with so much speed, and Brady Shea at that position, he's trying to get the puck, and really he needs to take his body and prevent Cirelli from coming in with so much speed.
Played into the corner. Chernak comes over to confront Teravainen. It's Hamilton to the front, they score! Andrei Vasilevskiy, and with 90 seconds to go, it's a 1-goal game.
And it comes from the forecheck, which is what they are so good at doing. Svechnikov parks himself in front, and it's Jordan Staal. Right before he gets the puck, Jordan Staal lifts his head up and recognizes that he's there. Watch the good hard work there by Teravainen and Aho, and Staal puts the puck right on Svechnikov's stick.
Staal and Stamkos tie up, the horn sounds, and the Tampa Bay Lightning will head home with a 2-0 series lead.